Tubby.
We're representing Lumic Crew.
Yeah.
You might see us on TV, One More Glory, dancing. But now we'll be
Hosting
an event called Money in the Cat Volume 2. What's Money in the Cat Volume 2?
Alright, Money in the Cat Volume 2 is a 1v1 hip-hop dance battle competition out here in Singapore, but with a twist for this year's MITC.
There's gonna be
House. House dance battle 1v1. Right?
Check out all the group dances from Singapore coming down from all over the country.
Battling it out.
International people are coming too.
Yeah. And we're gonna talk about the judge.
Judge!
Yeah.
Mr. Henry Ling from Hilly Falls Crew!
USA.
Who, if you don't know who he is, who is?
Henry Ling is the pioneer of hip-hop dance in the world. Right? He's there when hip-hop was growing. He was part of the growth of hip-hop. From the beginning up till now, he has been representing. He's still around, man.
And he's coming down to Singapore to judge!
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
judging the event.
To be crowned by him
As champion.
is truly nuts.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
crazy. Yeah. Right. Now, on to the prizes. Right, the cash prize for MITC this year is $1,000 in the cap. Not this cap, there'll be another cap.
Yep.
This is his cap.
Yeah.
Right, $1,000 in the cap, and you win the cap.
And there will be some secret prizes. We're not gonna tell you, you just have to win.
Yeah, you gotta win it and earn it to see it.
Yep.
Right, but we can tell you that it's dope. You won't regret winning it, right? So with that, I'm gonna say, come on down, join the workshop, Henry Ling's workshop. You can find the details about the event.
We're here. www.mitc.co.
CO. Alright, so check out the website, on the event, on the workshop, and
My
maybe
phone
his
number.
My phone number, naked picture don't have, sorry
Okay.
you guys. Okay, so yeah, so catch us 8 October, Toa Payoh, 3 p.m.